Our dealer's going to make money in finance? Absolutely. Our banker's going to make money when you finance with them? Absolutely.
Monthly payment shopping is big mistake number one.
I think short-term financing, short-term leasing is the best way to buy a car, just like your house. You're going to pay the least amount of interest.
A car dealer can give you any monthly payment you want if the loan is extended over a long enough period of time.
Meanwhile, they're not adjusting the price, they're just extending the term.
You tell the dealer, well, I can afford $400 per month.
I would definitely take a look at term. How far are we extending the term out?
Does that mean $400 per month over 3 years, over 4 years, over 5 years, over 6 years?
And somebody out there is going to extend the payments out long enough to make it attractive to that payment that fits perfectly within their budget.
The vast majority of Americans, when they buy a car, they finance that car through the car dealership.
There are dishonest finance managers and dishonest dealers out there that will try to take advantage of people. Anytime that they tell you that the price of a car depends on whether or not you finance here or not at the dealership, you should get out of there immediately.
A car dealership will often bump the interest rate on the loan.
You should try to get the rate that works best for you.
Take it to your bank and see if they can offer you a lower interest rate.
Sometimes the dealer is going to be able to get it. Sometimes the banks can be able to get it.
If you were approved at 6%, maybe they'll bump it to 8 or 9%.
It should be black and white. It's not, there's no gray area here. It's black and white. My rate is 5.9. That's my rate.
And then they'll split part of that increase with the bank.
Whether my banker gives it to me, whether the business manager at a car dealership gives it to me, that's the rate. And any finance manager, when you buy a car, should be disclosing that to you on the contract, making sure you're very aware of what the rate is.